Hello guys, welcome to the first video tutorial on Java programming for beginners. In this video we will see what is Java, why do we care about learning Java, and we will also see that how we can install Java in our system. So what is Java? Java is a high-level programming language which was developed by Sun Microsystem in the early 90s. Java is an object-oriented programming language. So as any other high-level language like C#, C++, Java is also a high-level language. But it's a little bit different from other languages in the sense that it's a cross-platform programming language which you can develop and run on multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux and macOS or any other operating system. And it runs its program using a special virtual machine called Java Virtual Machine. So this Java Virtual Machine is responsible for running the Java programs, and whenever you install Java on your operating system like Windows or Linux, you also install this Java Virtual Machine, and this Java Virtual Machine is same for every operating system. So your program runs on this Java Virtual Machine and not on the native, Windows or Linux. So this Java Virtual Machine is same for every operating system. That's why it runs on every operating system which Java supports, right? So if you compile Java program on Windows, you can run it on Linux or macOS using this Java Virtual Machine. That's why before developing Java, we need to install Java JDK and JRE on our operating system. JDK refers to the Java Development Kit and JRE refers to the Java Runtime Environment. Okay. So now first of all we need to install Java on our system. So first of all, open your browser and search for Java JDK. And in here you have to click on the first link. So now it opens the website. So you have to download the JDK for the Java. So just click on the JDK download. And it will open up this page. So you have to download JDK for Windows. So just click on this link and accept the license and click on it. So once it is downloaded, it will show you like this. So just click on show in folder and here is your JDK. So just click on it. You can just install it. So click on run. Now it will ask you for the installation. So just click on next. And this is the location where your JDK will be. So you can change it. But I am leaving it and just click on OK. And next. And it will start the installation process. It will take some time. So now your Java is installed. So just click on close. So now just go to CMD and you have to check that Java is accessible or not. So just type Java and it will show you that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So first of all you have to set the path. So just go to the C folder and click on the program files and then Java, and here is your JDK. So you can name it as JDK 14 and click on continue. Double click on it and go to the bin folder. So this is the location. Just copy it by pressing Ctrl+C and Now you have to set the environment variable. So just type variable here and it will show you this: edit the system environment variables. Click on it and here you will see environment variable. So click on it and here is the system variables. So you have to paste that path which you have copied. So just click on path and click edit. Here new and you have to paste that path. So paste and click on OK. OK. Now go to the CMD. Check that Java is accessible or not. So just type Java. And here we are. So now Java is accessible and you have also downloaded JDK and installed it. So now it's done. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will see that how we can install Eclipse IDE for Java developers.